very, to me, it's very funny because ang daming binato sa kanya ni Ramil Madriaga. But the thing that irked her the most, no, is yung part na where si Ramil declared that, as short of saying she's a dumb student, and there has to be outside forces or ano pa, talagang yung kumbaga padrino system just so she'll graduate or she'll have good grades or ganyan, di ba?
Oo, ang sinabi ni Madriaga noon, yun nga, si Prosecutor Kilala daw ang nagtulong sa kanya na makapasa ng law school, di ba? Tapos of all the statements na binigay ni Madriaga during the Congress impeachment proceedings, doon siya nag-focus, di ba? Excuse me. Ang sabi niya, ano daw, parang of everything that was said, doon daw siya na-hurt that someone has to help him through law school, di ba? And agree ako sa'yo, medyo funny talaga siya kasi ang daming mga important issues that as a vice president, she should have answered, no? Confidential funds, sobrang sobrang laking issue niyan, confidential funds. And that's accountability talaga. As a vice president, she has to be accountable. Yung fact na magkakilala daw sila ni Madriaga, may mga pictures, di ba? Hindi niya hindi niya nirefute yun. Ang nirefute niya, yung sa law school lang.
Right.
Di ba? So bakit? Ang analysis ko diyan, hindi niya masagot yung ibang yung mga ibang issues. Ang pwede lang niya sagutin yung law school na issue niya. Kaya doon siya nag-focus.
Oh. So is it short of saying parang medyo kabado siya doon sa ibang issues, hindi niya alam kung paano niya lulusutan.
Yes, exactly.
Pero itong na to, alam niya kung paano lulusutan, ganun ba? Or
Exactly. Kasi nga, hindi niya masagot wala siyang sagot. Or siguro hindi pa siya nakakapag-confer with her lawyers kung paano sasagutin yon. Kasi kahit pag sinagot niya yon, of course may consequences yan, legal yan, di ba? It can be taken against her. So hindi niya alam kung paano niya sasagutin. Whereas law school, medyo madali naman medyo madali i-refute ang law school. And in fact, wala naman kasing makaka-verify doon sa law school whether tinulungan ka nga or hindi So I think that's the reason.
Sige nga, isa-isahin nga natin yun. Anyway, yung mga nanonood naman sa atin wants to find out the issue and yung actual na pwedeng mangyari behind the most controversial thing na nilatag sa kanya ni Madriaga, which she focused on yung grades niya.
Yes,
okay. How does it work? What are the 1, 2, 3? Ito ang dapat nangyari, ito ang dapat niyang inisip.
Okay.
Ganon.
Okay. Well, yun nga, sabi ko, ang pinaka matinding allegation is the confidential funds. Confidential funds saying that we thought dati yung 124 million was spent in 11 days. Yun nakakala natin. Sabi ni Ramil Madriaga, mali daw yun. 24 hours daw na wala yung 124 million.
24 hours lang nawala yung 100 plus million na yun.
Dinistribute daw niya. Sabi niya, dinala niya sa kung saan-saan, binigay niya yung 124. So, that's a very grave allegation, di ba?
That's right.
In law, there is a doctrine that if you kept silent, if you should have refuted it, that's an admission, no? Although syempre si Sara, wala pa naman siya sa court, hindi naman siya umattend, di ba? Pero we could use that analogy. Masyadong grave yung sinabi sa'yo, masyadong seryoso yung allegation sa'yo. It's your time to refute that. Why did you refute? Why did you not refute that? Why did you keep silent?
So, that was her day in court,
yes,
supposed to be.
That may be taken against you. So, kumari, sinabi ko sa'yo, Jojo, pinatay mo si ganyan. Siyempre, sabi mo, hindi ko pinatay yung ganyan. If you kept silent, so, pag ganyan-ganyan ka lang, ano sasabihin ko? Siguro nga. Siguro nga, pinatay mo nga, di ba? So, yun. So, that was her time. She should have refuted that. Ang nag-focus siya sa law school grades niya.
So that's highly parang hindi siya, what's the term for it?
It's not normal.
It's highly unusual and not
it's
normal.
Beyond the normal human conduct.
Right. Okay, so that's the psychology behind it.
Yes.
Parang pag sinabi mo sa'yo, pare, wag nang patayin kahit kinuha mo na lang.
Diba?
Pare, kinuha mo yung cellphone ko, hindi ko kinuha. Anong
Ano sinabi mo?
Di ba? Galit ka agad di ba?
Kung sinabi mo, kinuha ko cellphone mo, pag ganyan-ganyan ka lang, painom-inom ka lang ng kape, anong isipin mo, di ba? And Yes, that's a psychology behind it, but that's used in court as well.
That can be admissible in court?
Yes. Well,
Oh.
not now kasi wala sila sa court, di ba?
Oo.
Ano tayo, house tayo eh. So
Oo.
this is not a courtroom. This is not a courtroom scenario.
Oo.
But if they were in court, it could be used against her. Your silence
okay.
can be used against you in